Some discoveries are not the result of a deliberate search. There is no treasure map, no long-planned excavation. Sometimes an ordinary, everyday task unexpectedly brings to light a find of historical and financial significance. An incident that took place near the city of Lyon in France is a clear example of such a coincidence. A homeowner who wanted to build a swimming pool in his backyard came across a hidden treasure during the excavation work. The find consisted of 5 gold bars stored in plastic bags, along with numerous gold coins. What makes the discovery particularly remarkable is that it occurred entirely by chance, during routine construction work, without any archaeological excavation or treasure hunting involved. The property had been purchased by the homeowner only about a year earlier. The owner, whose identity has not been disclosed, did not attempt to conceal the find and instead reported it to local authorities in Neuville-sur-Saône. The case was then forwarded to the Regional Directorate of Cultural Affairs, operating under the French Ministry of Culture. The institution's primary task was to determine whether the find held any archaeological or historical value. If such value had been established, the treasure could have become state property. French civil law has clearly defined the concept of a treasure since the 19th century. According to the law, a treasure is considered a hidden or buried object whose ownership cannot be proven and which is discovered purely by chance. If such a discovery occurs on a person's own property and no other ownership claim exists, the legal right to the treasure is granted to the finder. During the investigation, the origins of the gold bars were quickly identified thanks to the unique serial numbers engraved on each one. The bars were found to have been produced by a refinery operating in the Lyon region and dated back approximately 15 to 20 years. Additional inquiries conducted by the police confirmed that the gold was not stolen and had no connection to any illegal activity. Because the gold was relatively modern and had a clean legal background, it was deemed to fall outside the scope of archaeological heritage. Following this decision, the homeowner who discovered the treasure during the pool excavation was officially granted ownership rights. According to the French newspaper La Progrès, the total value of the 5 gold bars and gold coins was estimated at around $800,000. Yet a question remains that is at least as intriguing as the gold itself: why, and by whom, were these valuables buried in a backyard? Since the property's previous owner had passed away before the discovery, no official explanation could be provided. The purpose behind hiding the gold, or why it was kept underground rather than in a bank, remains unknown. This incident is just one example of the accidental discoveries that have emerged around the world in recent years. In Sweden, a fisherman found a treasure while searching for worms near his home. In Germany, a metal detector enthusiast made a discovery during a routine countryside walk. In England, a couple uncovered a treasure while renovating their kitchen. All of these cases demonstrate that buried treasures are not always the result of planned excavations or professional searches. Sometimes a home renovation, a walk, or a simple digging activity is enough to bring traces of the past back to the surface. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss documentaries like this.